Γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the most delicious autumn salad using roasted beets, roasted carrots, feta cheese, peppery arugula, and then we're going to make a roasted garlic balsamic vinaigrette to top this all off. It's going to be so delicious. Let's get started. So we're going to begin with the beets. I have all different sizes of beets here because we got them from the farmer's market and they're nice and fresh. Also, I'm wearing some gloves to do this because they really do stain your skin. So if you can, go ahead and put on some gloves before you do this. Otherwise, you'll have burgundy fingers when you're done and nails. So anyway, peel the beets and discard that skin, or you can put it in your compost. Then it's a good idea to rinse them and pat them dry. Cut them in half and then slice them into wedges. This is a good size that I like. You can cut them as thin or as thick as you like and put them in a big baking tray along with a handful or two of baby carrots. I usually have baby carrots on hand because we like to snack on them with tzatziki or hummus or just like that. They're perfectly sweet and crisp. But if you have regular carrots, you can go ahead and peel about two or three, however many you want, and then cut them up into little bite-sized pieces and put those on the tray. Drizzle everything with olive oil and season with salt and toss it all together. Then I have 2 heads of garlic. I'm just going to cut the tips off, the top tip off, and I'm going to put them in a piece of foil. I'm going to drizzle lots of olive oil on top and a hefty pinch of salt. And then I'm going to close that foil package up and put it on the side of my pan. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is going to go in on the center rack and it's going to bake for about 45 minutes or until the beets are tender and the garlic is nice and caramelized. For the last 15 minutes, you could open up the package of garlic so you can get a little bit of color on it. And that's it. Take it out and let it come to room temperature. While it's cooling, you can make the dressing. The dressing is so simple. When the garlic is cool enough to handle, go ahead and squeeze it and you'll see that the cloves will just come out and they're going to be almost melted and caramelized and they're going to smell so good. Put them in a little pitcher or a bowl along with plenty of vinegar. Now, my favorite vinegar to use in this is a dark balsamic. We have a balsamic dressing in our shop. We have the white and the dark, and I'm actually going to end up using both today because I'm running low on the dark balsamic. But if you don't have this particular dressing, all you need is balsamic vinegar with a little bit of honey whisked together, and go ahead and add that to the garlic with some olive oil. Whisk that all up and it's going to be thick. So you can keep thinning it out with vinegar. Vinegar and beets go so well together. So don't worry about having too much vinegar in this, but of course you could also taste as you go so that way you don't go too heavy with it. So I have 5 ounces or 140 grams of baby arugula leaves. I love these because they're peppery and they go so well with the sweet roasted veggies, but use your favorite greens in this. You could use a combination of them and put them in a big bowl. Make sure they're clean first and take some of that dressing. You can just take a tablespoon or 2 of it and mix the greens all together. If it's a little too thick, you can add some more vinegar to your greens, even a little bit more olive oil. And I also like to put a little pinch of salt on my greens so that way they're very flavorful. Just toss everything all together, and when the greens are coated, you can go ahead and transfer them to your serving platter. I like to serve this salad in a big serving platter. It's so beautiful to look at, and I create a bed of greens on the bottom. Then I'm going to take all of those roasted beets and carrots and I'm going to put them in the bowl and toss them in the remaining dressing with a little bit more vinegar and a pinch of dried oregano. Toss that all together and then put the beets and carrots over the greens. Next, I'm going to just crumble some feta cheese over the salad, and then I love to top this with pistachios. Roasted salted pistachios are my favorite nuts to use on this, and I'm just going to go ahead and roughly chop them with a knife and sprinkle them over the top, and the salad is ready to be enjoyed. If you don't like pistachios or you don't have pistachios, you can toast some pine nuts, you can toast some pecans, even almonds. Use your favorite nuts or leave them out, but that little salty crunch goes so well with all of the flavors. Time for the taste test. I could finish the whole salad by dinner time. It is, when I tell you delicious, I really mean that it's so good that the vinegar and roasted garlic dressing complements this so well. It goes so well with that creamy, salty feta. The beets and the carrots are sweet and just so good. The peppery arugula gives it a little kick, and the salted, crunchy pistachios are just a little kiss on top. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. The exact measurements are on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.